In this video, we match your running style to the perfect trail brand. Choosing a trail shoe isn't just about colorways. It's about joining a philosophical tribe. We've already covered foam density and carbon plates in previous episodes, but out here, fit and grip reign supreme. The market is divided into distinct personalities: the European precision instruments, the American comfort cruisers, and the grip-obsessed mutters. Buying the wrong personality for your foot shape, no matter how high the review score, is a guaranteed recipe for black toenails and sprained ankles. First, the European mountain goats, Salomon and La Sportiva. Think of Salomon as a Formula One car, narrow, firm, and incredibly precise, designed for moving fast over technical terrain, but often suffocating for wide feet. La Sportiva is the tank. Built on Italian mountaineering heritage, they are stiff, heavy, and practically indestructible. If you want ground feel and agility, these are your weapons, but don't expect a plush ride. On the flip side, we have the American cruisers, Hoka and Altra. Hoka is the monster truck of the trail world, offering massive stack heights that float over rocks like a hovercraft, though that height can feel unstable on tippy, technical descents. Altra is the cult favorite, famous for its wide, foot-shaped toe box and zero-drop platform. But be warned, moving to zero-drop without transition will wreck your calves and Achilles faster than you can say natural movement. Then there are the specialists like British-born Innov 8 and the climbing Focus Scarpa. Innov 8 prioritizes grip above all else, using graphene-infused rubber to claw through British bogs. Think of them as soccer cleats for the mountain. These brands often sacrifice cushioning for proprioception, the ability to feel exactly what's under your foot. If you run mostly on dry fire roads, these are overkill. If you run in slop, they are essential. So how do you choose? Ignore the hype and follow this flowchart. If you have wide feet, start with Altra or Topo Athletic. If you run steep, rocky Alps, look at the lockdown of Salomon or La Sportiva. If your joints need saving over ultra distances, Hoka is your friend. Remember, a sloppy fit on a trail shoe isn't just annoying. On a technical descent, it's a safety hazard. The honest truth is that brand loyalty is fine, but brand blindness is expensive. Don't force your foot into a narrow European racing shoe just because Kilian Jornet wears them. And don't buy a max cushion brick if you need ground feel. The best technology is the one that disappears when you run. In the next episode, we're providing a practical buying guide with specific model recommendations for every budget. Thanks for watching. Now go find your tribe and hit the trails.